meant to say, you go anywhere in India, in any IT company, definitely you will find one of your colleagues from Naresh Institute of Technology. So that is a brand image we have created from last 20 years. Why this brand image? Because we always believe on project-based high-quality training. Our trainings are not completed without project. Like here, Java and .NET, you are enrolled in Java and .NET. In both the courses, you will get what? Project support. Course is one part, project is another part. We follow industry aligned course curriculum. So every month or every 15 days, 20 days, we are going to upgrade our what? Our syllabus based on the industry course curriculum. So based on the industry current trend and technology, we are going to change our what? Course curriculum. Our trainers are both certified and working professionals. Excellent lab with 100% qualified mentors. You will get the mentor support. Placement assistant with what? Quality training. So these are few what things about Naresh Institute of Technology. Okay, what you will get from Naresh Institute of Technology, practice platform with personal credentials. So whatever the program you will develop in this Java and .NET, you will get what? You will get a practice platform with your personal user ID and password, your personal credentials. So what benefit you will get? What benefit you will get? This live platform evaluates your logic with test cases. I'm talking more about this. I'm talking more about this. You will get more clarity. Okay, moving ahead. Sir, look at study plan. Total, how many hours of study plan? Come on, respond. Say loudly. So in this Java and .NET, in both the courses, you need to spend your 8 hours time with Naresh Institute of Technology. Generally, it could be morning 9 to evening 6. Okay, or let's say 11 to 7:30 p.m. Like that, we are providing the study plan. So every day you need to spend 8 hours time in with what? Naresh Institute of Technology. Sir, in this 8 hours, what we will do? In this 8 hours, look at what is the study plan? In this 8 hours, first thing is what? First we will go with this phase one. Please try to understand. Phase one. In this phase one, all of you, in this phase one, you can see, we have a coding skills and web basics. So this phase one we are going to complete within 1 to 2 months. In the phase one, we will make you expert in coding skills and web basics. Coding skills by using C programming language and web basics by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. That means from now onwards, next 2 months, you will be what? You will have a very good knowledge of what? C programming and then HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This is our phase one. Please tell me in phase one what topics we will cover. Please say loudly. C programming, that is a logical programming, and HTML, CSS and what? That means after 2 months, you will be eligible to develop some static websites, some small web pages by using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and meanwhile, by using this C programming language, your analytical skills, your thinking power will enhance. So by using this coding skills, what will happen? By using this analytical power, your coding skills will enhance. And by using this HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you can develop some small web pages. Understood? Say, all of you. So next 1 or 2 months, you are going to develop what? Coding skills with web basics. Now phase 2. In phase 2, this is the roadmap, guys. This is the placement program learning roadmap for Java. So in phase 2, which will start from the 3rd month, in phase 2 for Java student, we will give you the knowledge of core Java. In core Java, basically we will focus on what? Object-oriented programming, collections framework, Java 8 features, and a special focus. And a special focus on what? A special focus on logical programs. Logical programs means like array program, string program. Okay. So this is for core Java. Means what? This is for Java student. All these parts are from core Java. Okay. All are what? All are very, very important for your industry. Then next what? Oracle. Oracle means what? Your database. Say yes or no? Oracle means you are going to get the support of your database. So whatever the programs you will develop here, by using this core Java. Let's say, think about you are developing one school project, guys. You are developing one school project. Then, when you develop the school project, to store the student records, let's say you have total what 200, 300 students are there in your school, and you created one project. Then to store these student records, you need a database or not? Come on. What do you need? Say loudly, please. Database. So here with your core Java, you will also get the knowledge of what? Database. So whatever the data you have, let's say you are developing Flipkart application, you are developing Amazon application, you are developing any kind of application. So any kind of application, it must contain some data now, like client's record. Let's say you are developing Amazon or you are developing Flipkart application. So it must hold at least client records or not? Say, respond. Yes or no? Where you will store those client record? To store those clients records, we will use this Oracle database or not? Understanding database, what is database? Before database, when we don't have database earlier, then we were storing everything in a file format. So like we have some records, those records we are going to store in what file formats. But now we are not storing the records. If you remember earlier is what you can consider or around 20, 30 years back, how the banks are going to store their data. So 20, 30 years before, if you go to bank, in the bank, so many file systems are there. And in those file systems, they were doing everything manually. But now bank is doing manually or bank is doing with the help of database? Say loudly. Bank, every project, you cannot think any project without database, because obviously for any project, database is required to store your data. So in the phase 2 for core Java and Oracle, that's phase 2 is very, very important. After learning phase 2, you have a knowledge of what? Java, and you have a knowledge of what? Oracle database. This is for what? Java student. Okay. Then next, look at in phase 3, all of you. Total 4 phases are there. After 5th month, after completing this core Java and Oracle, what is in next phase? That is phase 3. So in phase 3, we are going to provide Java web development. Java web development means what? After completing this phase 3, that means after completing this 6 months of your course, you will be ready for what? You will be ready for what? Interview process. You will be ready for interview. All the students are ready for interview, as well as after completing this phase 3, you can develop your own website. What you can develop? Say loudly. After learning this phase 3, you can, what you have learned here in phase 1, guys, what you have learned here in phase 1, HTML, CSS, JavaScript for developing static web pages. Now, the expansion of this static web pages will come in phase 3, and you can develop what? You can develop advanced web pages by using JDBC, Servlet, and GSP technique. So in phase 3, you are what? You are ready for developing your own websites. And in phase 3, you are also ready for technical mocks and HR interviews. In phase 3, we are what? We are, look, in phase 4, actually, you are what? Ready for the placement. Even you are ready for the placement in what? After phase 1. I'm telling you how. Even you are ready for placement after the phase 1. But after phase 3, every single student is ready for what? Placement. So I'm talking about. So before going to placement, all of you, before going to placement, we are providing what? Technical round interviews and HR mocks. Then what will happen before going to your phase 4? You have a very good rehearsal. We have a very good rehearsal on your what? On your original interview round. So let's say after this phase 3, you are ready for the interview. Say yes or no. Say loudly. So just before interview, what management has decided? Management will provide you some technical mocks or HR mocks. Who will conduct this technical mocks and HR mocks? I will tell you in the later slides. Just wait for some time. I will tell you. So who will conduct? Oh, okay. Okay, who will conduct this what? Technical and HR mocks? Who will conduct this technical and HR mocks? So they are basically, guys, they are basically not the employee of Naresh IT. They are basically not the employee of Naresh IT. They will come from the what? They will come from the different companies. CMM level 5 companies. They are not our employees. Understood all of you? So they are, let's say, they are coming from what? TCS company, Wipro company, or Infosys company. Mostly Saturday and Sunday, they are coming and now they are judging your knowledge. And with that, they will also provide you the feedback also. What feedback? Let's say your individual feedback. Let's say your mock test is completed. So after completing your mock test, guys, after completing your mock test, in which area exactly you are lagging? You are weak in technical part, you are unable to give the answer, or your communication skills are not good, or your logical skills are not so well, like your logical thinking is not so good. So all these feedbacks they are going to provide in this mock interviews. So basically, what is the intention? The intention is very simple. The intention is very simple. Just before your final placement, okay, management wants to become ready for you for what? Your final placement with these what? HR and mock interviews, which is one kind of rehearsal from your what? From your original interview. Is it clear to all of you? Respond. Understood all of you? Okay. Now, sir, I completed phase 3. Now, what is in phase 4? In phase 4, we are going to deal all the what? Frameworks. You can see for Java, the popular frameworks is Spring Boot and microservices. Not only Spring Boot and microservices, we are also going to provide you the React frameworks. What we are going to provide? Say loudly. React is very popular framework nowadays for GUI applications. GUI applications means graphical user interface. So if you want to develop rich GUI websites, the look and feel of the websites are very good, then we have to learn what? React. And this is what Spring Boot and microservices. It is the part of what? Our core Java, advanced Java, and then we will go to what? This frameworks like Spring Boot and microservices. So this total 4 phases. Phase 1, coding skills and web basics. Phase 2, core Java and Oracle. Phase 3, you will learn what? All the techniques, all the technologies like JDBC, Servlet and JSP through which you can develop what? You can develop the websites. That is what? Advanced websites. And phase 4, parallelly you are going for what? Interview room, and at the same time we are providing you the frameworks. Tell me, these 4 phases clear? All of you? This is for Java. Then what about .NET? In .NET, for .NET students, guys, just wait. For .NET students, all of you, for .NET students, again in the phase 1, we are providing code skills and web basics. For what? For your thinking programming, that means logical coding by using C programming. And second one is what? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, for again developing what? Static web pages. Phase 1 is same for Java and .NET. Phase 1 is same for Java and .NET. Now what about in phase 2? In phase 2, for .NET students, they will learn what? They will learn C#.NET. What they will learn? Say loudly, please. Now C#.NET is what? Again, object-oriented programming. And with C#.NET, you will learn what? SQL Server database. What database? Come on. In Java, you have a core Java and Oracle database. In phase 2 of this .NET, you have a C#.NET and SQL Server. So this C#.NET and SQL Server will be complete in phase 2 in 3 to 5 months. Okay, then phase 3. Guys, in phase 3, we have what? ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC, Model View Controller, ASP.NET MVC Core 8, that is the latest feature, and then same technical and HR mock interviews. So after completion of your 6 months, here also you are ready for developing the websites by using ASP.NET technology. By using what technology? Say loudly. ASP.NET technology. With what database support? Come on. With what database support? SQL Server database support. Your advanced Java website, your advanced means what? Your advanced website technology will be completed in phase 3. In phase 4, same is as usual as Java. We will cover all the all the frameworks, and we will send you. All the students are ready for the interview. So here all the students are ready for interview, and here we will cover all the all the frameworks. So placement and frameworks. Placement and frameworks both will go, as well as simultaneously both we are going to provide. Okay, next. Now, sir, resources provided by Naresh Institute of Technology, online and offline, guys. So you can see in the video. So you can see in the video, the first thing, the resources provided by Naresh Institute of Technology is what? Best faculty. So this is what one part where we are very strong, because our faculties are either certified faculties, or our faculties are coming from what? Industry. Means they have already worked in the industry. Here, I want to just tell one thing. What is that? For every subject, you will get different faculty. Like you are learning C programming language, you are learning what? HTML, you are learning CSS, you are learning core Java, you are learning C Sharp, you are learning ASP. For each subject, you have a what? Separate faculty. Understood, all of you? One faculty will not teach you what? Two subjects. Each faculty is expert in their own subject. Actually, they have devoted their entire life for one subject. So they are expert. And this is one part where Naresh Institute of Technology is very strong. Okay, next. Smart classroom. So you can see here, all the classrooms are what? All the classrooms are what? A smart classroom. Like this is one classroom. So like that you will what? In same building, in this building, all the classrooms are like this, a smart classroom. Moving next. Advanced technology lab. So you can see in the video some pics of your lab. So here you will practice. Okay, after your theoretical session, once your theoretical session will be completed, then in this lab you are going to practice. This is what advanced technology lab. Dedicated mentors. Now dedicated mentors means, sir, who are mentors? Look at. So guys, mentors are playing a major role. How, sir? Look. So let's say faculty has given you what? Faculty has given you 10 programs. So while learning in the classroom, faculty has given you 10 programs. Now, you are getting the assignments from the faculty. Faculty has provided some assignment to you. Now, you will complete the assignment in the lab. Say yes or no? Say loudly. So, when you are going to develop the assignments, sir, I am going to develop the assignments in the lab, given by the faculty or given by the mentors. Okay. So that time what happens, while writing the programs, you are getting some errors. Let's say you have written some program, you are getting what? 20 errors. You got 20 errors, then you apply your what? Logical analytical skills, and by using your logical analytical skills, you are solving all the 18 or 19 errors. But you are unable to solve what? One or two errors. That time, these mentors will help you. These mentors will help you to what? To solve or to rectify those errors and to execute your project or program in the lab. Understood, all of you? Then tell me, who are mentors? They will help you to execute your program and project or not? Say loudly. Who are mentors? Who will help you to execute your program or project in the lab? So these are mentors. So we have dedicated mentor support. Each row we have a dedicated mentor who is going to what? Solve your all the queries, all the problems during the what? Program execution. Okay. Moving next. Sir, next you can see we have what? Lab assignment. So now here I want to share something with you. Please look carefully. So what I want to discuss with you, lab assignment. Please look online and offline, guys, what I'm trying to show. So let's say here we have what? Lab assignment I'm talking about. So let's say in the classroom, you have completed one module. One module completed. One module completed. What module? Let's say module inheritance module is completed. Online and offline, guys. Let's say in the classroom you have completed one module, one topic, one module, one topic. What is the topic? Say loudly. So once you will complete one module, that is inheritance. Once you will complete this module inheritance in this classroom, then immediately what we will do, look, immediately what we will do, what management will do, first management will give you at least 40 MCQs question. First management will give you 40 MCQs questions on this particular topic. Now this MCQs can vary. If your topic is small, 20 MCQs. If your topic is a bigger topic, then 40 to 60 MCQs. Like collection framework, very big topic. You are almost getting 80 MCQs. Operator, okay, a small topic. You are getting what, 20s. So generally 20 to 60 MCQs you are getting based on the size of the topic. So this is one part. This is not one part. So tell me, after completion of the module, first what you are getting MCQs, no? What you are getting? Say loudly. MCQs. Number two, look. Generally what happens, if you talk about another universities, institutes, colleges, so what is the general trend? Even we were also following the same trend in our school and colleges. Okay, try to understand. When I was in my college, our faculty was following the same trend. What was that? Let's say in the classroom, listen carefully. In the classroom, faculty has given 5 programs. Faculty has given 5 programs on any topic, let's say on constructor topic. All of you. Then after giving all these programs, you have written the programs in your notes, and then faculty told you go and practice all these 5 programs in your lab. Then you are going to the lab. What in the lab you are going to open your notebook and you start typing the program. When you typing the program, you tell me, when you are typing the program line by line in your lab, your development knowledge will increase or your typing speed will increase? Say, your typing speed will increase or your development knowledge will increase? Your typing speed will increase because you are lining by line, you are observing and you are typing in the computer, and then you are compiling and executing whether my program is running or not. Say yes or no. Say, are you agree, all of you? What I said, are you agree? So here we have taken strong decisions. What decisions here we have taken? Here we have taken strong decisions. What decisions? You will not execute faculty program in the lab. Faculty program is what? Your asset. Management will provide you some sample coding programs first. Like I'm showing you sample coding programs. Look, I'm showing you sample coding programs, let's say here, like today. Assignments. So this is batch 34 assignment. This is batch 34 assignment, you can see. This is the batch 34 assignment. Question 1, like that. This is batch 34 assignment. Similarly, the batches which are ready for placement, which is going for placement. For that, we have placement batch assignment. So this is the MCQs. This is MCQs for placement batch, which batch is going for placement right now. So these MCQs questions for them. So like that, for every batches we have what? We have assignments. For every batches we have what? Different assignments. So what will happen when you will try? Look, this is what batch 34 assignment. So when you will see this question, and when you will try to complete this assignment in your lab, when you face any error, then mentors are going to support you. But here, you are solving the real life problem or not? Say, based on the criteria, based on the condition, based on the task, you are going to solve one program or one problem or not? Say loudly. You are just typing, and based on certain criteria, you are developing one program and project. Based on certain criteria, you are developing on program and project. Like you get define the employee class. So you need to ask to define one employee class. You will take some variables. You will take setter and getter. Like that, you are going to what complete this assignment. Like that, you are going to complete this assignment. So what I am trying to say you, guys, what I am trying to say you here, after MCQs, when you will get confidence, then we are going to provide you what some sample coding programs. What we are going to provide? Come on, come on. Involve yourself in the classroom. What we are going to provide? Sample coding programs, some small coding programs, some small coding programs. After completing the sample coding programs, now we are going to provide scenario based coding program. Scenario based coding program. Guys, scenario based coding programs are playing an important role to what crack your interview. Just remember this point. Scenario based programs are playing a very major role to crack your interview. Why, sir? Because these scenario based programs totally we are taking from the industry. Are you understanding? Almost you guys are more than I think 43 or 44 batch. Okay, already we have completed what 40 plus batches in Naresh Institute of Technology. What is my personal experience, personal mantra I'm giving to you? The students who are completing these scenario based programs, they are getting their job in first attempt. And once you are getting your job in first attempt, what will happen? Your salary package will be very high. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say you? Say, in your interview, who will play major role? Say loudly. Say once again loudly. Scenario based program. It is my personal experience. The students completed scenario based program honestly with hardworking approach. They are cracking their interview in what first round. And when you crack your interview in first round, okay, your salary package is around what? Your salary package is sometimes 6. Recently in our .NET, some student got the salary package of 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs also. But at the another part of coin is what? Another part of coin is what? If you are not completing these programs, if you're what? If you're just going to attend the interview, then maybe 7th or 8th attempt, after 7 to 8 attempt interview, you are getting the salary package what? 2.4. You are getting the salary package what? 2.0 also. From your batch only. It depends upon how much hard work you are providing in these coming 6 months. Based on that, your salary package will be decided. Naresh IT will not give you a job. Naresh IT will give you training. Naresh IT will bring companies for you. In your floor, companies will come. Because we have created a very good brand image from last 20 years. Companies believe on us. Company knows that the product of Naresh IT is a finalized product. So they believe on us. But it is your skill whether you are getting the job of 2.4 or you are getting the job of 6.0. It is your skill. Are you getting my point? Come on, say yes or no. So it is your hard work. It is your hard work. Your skill will decide that you will make it 2.4 or you will make it what 6.4. It is your hard work. We are giving equal knowledge, equal resource to each and every student. But among those students, some students are getting this package, some students are getting this package. So believe on me, the students who are completing scenario based programs, they are what? They are cracking their interview in first attempt, and what? They are getting a very good salary. So this is lab assignment which makes us unique from what? Other institutes. Which makes us unique from the other institutes. Lab assignment. Okay. Moving next, all of you. Sir, these lab assignments question, we will give you from what? From HackerRank and LeetCode. From where? Say loudly. You know about this HackerRank and LeetCode. How many of you know? Please raise your hand. How many of you heard about this HackerRank and LeetCode? Okay, no problem. I'm telling you. Look, guys, listen. After completion of your 5 or 6 months, you are selected for one interview. Let's say you selected for one CMM level 5 companies, big companies. Let's say you're selected for TCS. Once you selected for TCS, big company, okay, your resume is shortlisted. Then you are going for the interview. who, which organization is responsible to prepare those tricky questions? TCS will prepare those tricky questions. Wipro will prepare those tricky questions. No, they are busy in their projects. Then who will prepare? So they are giving the responsibility to these third-party companies like HackerRank and LeetCode. So many companies are there, but the two most popular companies are what? HackerRank and what? LeetCode. Are you understanding? Say. So what these companies will do? These companies have set of questions. These companies will test your knowledge based on their question, and then they will submit the record to the companies. So they will submit a report that so and so candidates has having very good knowledge. His rank is what? His score is what? 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10. 7, 8 is a very good score. Hacker rank test and lead code test. So we have a collaboration with Hacker Rank and Lead Code. We have already what collaborate with these companies, Hacker Rank and Lead Code. So we can access their libraries. And from their libraries, we have what? We have taken so many questions. I want to show you. Look. So if I go to here, look, MCQs, so many questions we have. These all are 5,000 plus questions are there, which we have taken from the HackerRank library. So anywhere go, inheritance, look at day one. This is what question. Day one. Any topic you go, look at student hosteler. These all are what? Scenario based question. You have to develop in your lab with the support of mentor. Anywhere you go, method overloading. So these are 5,000 plus questions. These are 5,000 plus questions. 5,000 plus questions we have in the library, in the Java library, which we have taken from the what? HackerRank and LeetCode library. So what benefit you will get? Guys, what benefit you will get? When you are going to attend the interview, you will find those questions as a what? Already done questions. You will not surprise in the interview room. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? Because that type of standard questions you have already done in your lab. So that's why this HackerRank and LeetCode questions are playing a major role to give you what? Job. Now, moving next. Admin support. Admin support means what? Let's say, guys, please try to concentrate. Admin support means what? For your batch, for each and every individual batch, we are providing a dedicated admin. You have an admin contact number, you have admin WhatsApp number. So any technical issue you are facing during this course, like your name is not added in the Google Classroom, you are not getting the interview questions properly, you are not getting the notes properly, your name is not scheduled for mock test, your name is not scheduled for interview. So whom to contact? For any technical issues, whom to contact? My email ID is not registered. My mobile number is not added. I want to change my mobile number. So whom to contact? Faculties are very busy. So that time you have to ask from the admin for all these type of technical support. So admin will give you all kind of technical support. Each and every batch is having what? Dedicated admin. Moving next. Well, this is very important. What is this? Come on, say loudly. Once again, say loudly. Mock interviews. Once again, I'm reminding you, these are not the Naresh IT employees. These are working professionals. These are developers. They will come on Saturday and Sundays to test your knowledge. So let's say this batch, what? This Saturday, this batch is having mock test. So what will happen? 4 or 5 members will come from different companies. Okay, and then they will judge your knowledge. They will test your knowledge. And then the important thing is what? They will give you the feedback. And this feedback we will share with you. They will clearly tell you in which area you need improvement, where you need to improve, where you need to improve in your technical skills, where you need to improve your communication skill, logical skills. They will give you. Based on that, you will contact with your concerned faculty, and then together you can what? You can what? Work on that particular weak area. So this is mock interview playing a major role. Now moving next. What is next? Respond. Say loudly. Module wise test. Module wise test means what? Once module, as I told you, inheritance module is completed. Once I tell, as I told you, inheritance module is completed. Once your inheritance module is completed, then after completing of your inheritance module, as I told you, we will provide MCQs, then we will provide sample coding programs, then we will provide scenario based program. Once you are completing all these three what topics, means what, three modules, sub modules, then we will provide what, computer based weekly test. In this computer based weekly test, you need to what, you need to perform. Your record will be what, your test result will be what, your test result will be available with what, management record. And even we will share the record with you also, so you can see in which area you are lagging. Once again, what, module wise. So every module, after completing of the module, we need to what, we need to conduct one module wise test, and based on that your performance will be judged. Okay, next, all of you, look, this is very important. What is, read this one, what it is? Placement readiness matrix. Say yes or no, what it is? So sir, how I will get the placement, sir? Sir, how I will get the placement? When I will be ready for the placement, when I will be ready for the placement. Look, please look very carefully. So here some categories are there. General recruitment criteria, types of companies, average salary package, whether the student is ready or not, when the student is ready, and then timeline. Means what, when you will be ready for this type of companies. Look at. So first company we are talking about. What is the first company? Respond. Say loudly. MNCs. So MNCs are generally verifying what, your analytical skills. You have a very good thinking, analytical power, analyzing power or not. Then your coding skills, and then communication skill is very, very, means what, their communication skill is what, means what, high level communication skills they are demanding. So MNCs are demanding what, analytical skills, coding skills, and communication skills. Generally, the MNCs are what, MNCs are providing the starting package is 3.5 lakh per annum to what, no more. When you will be ready for MNCs, guys, you will be ready for MNCs after 2 months. After which month? Say loudly. Again, say loudly. Why, sir? How, sir? How I will be ready for 2 months? Because MNCs companies, look at MNC companies, they have certain criteria. What criteria? You have throughout 60%. Your communication skills should be very strong. Your brain analytical skills are very strong. Thinking power is very strong. And most important, you must have a positive attitude. Understanding? Say yes or no. On these basis, they are judging their candidates. These are the parameters. So they are not asking much more about technical. Why? Because they are not hiring for their current project. MNCs are never hiring for their current project. MNCs are always hiring for their future project. Understanding? So they will make you ready. They will hire you on these parameters. What parameters? Your communication skill, your positive attitude, your analytical power, your thinking power. And on these parameters, they will what? Take you. They will make you ready. And after 4 or 5 months, you will be ready for their next level of project. Are you understanding? Say, then tell me, MNCs are hiring for current projects? Respond, man. Hiring for current project? No, they are hiring for future project. And this is a salary package. So you guys will be ready what, after 2 months for MNCs companies if you are fulfilling all the criteria of MNCs. Okay. Then second what, sir? Second, mid-size companies. In mid-size companies, all of you, in mid-size companies, what is required? So technical basics are required, like object-oriented programming, collections, communication skill, analytical skill, and coding skill. So these are the technical stuff. Any mid-sized companies will ask technical questions. Here they will ask again communication skill, but it is not so equivalent what as like MNCs. Understood? MNCs communication skill must be very excellent level. Here also communication skill required, analytical skill required. Then after this, after this all technical stuff, your salary package will be 2.4, starting from 2.4 to what? 6 lakh per annum. 6 to 10. Okay, it depends. It depends your interview. Then when you will be ready? Come on. Say loudly. After phase 2. That means after 5th month, you can go for mid-sized companies or not? Say. Okay. Now, third one is what? Third one is this is a small size companies and startups. A small company and a startup. So again, analytical skill, coding skill, communication skill. Here they will always demand the current trend and technology. Let's try to understand. So let's say startup is companies are there. Let's say their current project is working on JavaScript or their current project is working on React. Then directly they will ask a question from your current project. Do you have the knowledge of React? Do you have the knowledge of JavaScript? Do you have the knowledge of cascading style sheet? Then if you have knowledge, if you fit for small size companies, then they will what hire you. And the small size companies, what is the advantage? From the next day only you are going to work on the live project. Understanding? All of you? Say yes or no. Here the salary package is what? 1.8 to 3.6 lakh per annum. So after 6 months, every single student is ready for what? Placement. But when I will be ready for placement based on my analytical skill, my coding skills, fulfilling all the criteria, I'm ready, sir. I'm ready. So please give me the placement after 2 months. I'm ready. Then here what we will do? Here, if you're fulfilling all the criteria of MNCs, your comm skill is excellent, your coding skills are good, analytical skills are good, then we will send you to admin. From the admin, you will collect 20 to 30 CRT videos. CRT stands for Campus Recruitment Training. What CRT? Campus Recruitment Training. You will collect 20 to 30 videos from the admin because you means what? You are in hurry. You want to get the job after 2 months. So you want only the Naresh IT logo, Naresh IT brand. So after that, what? You are collecting what? You are collecting the videos from the admin. Concentrate. You are collecting the videos from the admin. You are watching those videos in your home. How to what? How to face this interview? What is CRT, campus recruitment training? And after watching those videos, you are eligible for what? You are eligible for job. Same thing will be applicable what? When you join mid-sized company or a small startup companies after 5 months. If you are what? Very good in technical things, then you can crack the interview by watching those videos. After 6 months, now we are going to provide what? CRT offline to all each and every students. You got the idea? Say, respond. Are you getting now what is the plan? This is the roadmap. This is the roadmap what? For this Java and .NET plan. Then moving to the next. Look, now we are going to finish, guys, course modules. So quickly, what are the course modules we are going to follow in this placement assistant program? Please look carefully. Then tell all of you, please read with me. This is for Java. What is the first module? So loudly. Coding skills using what? Number 2. By using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you can develop a static web pages now. Say loudly. Number 3. Say loudly. Core Java. Number 4. Number 5. Guys, in Oracle, you are not learning only SQL. You are learning SQL as well as what? PLSQL. You are learning SQL and PLSQL. With that, we will also provide you the MongoDB support. Light database support, that is MongoDB support. Next. Say loudly. Spring Basic. Next. Sir, here we are not providing only Spring Boot. Here we are providing Spring Basics as well as we are also providing Spring Boot and what? Microservices. Next. React.js. Next. Communication skill, and this is what? CRT, campus recruitment training or not. If you are eligible after 2 months, these CRT videos you will take from the admin, and then definitely, as I told you, project is compulsory. So this is the module. This is the module for Java. Okay, after few sessions, what management will share these modules to you in your Google Classroom. You can take this entire PPT. Next, for .NET, again, please read with me. What is the first one? Say loudly. Coding skills using C programming, HTML, CSS, and what? Next one. Next one. ASP.NET Core. Next one. MVC 5 plus MVC Core what? 8. Next one. SQL Server and here also light database MongoDB. Then what is next? React.js. Next. And what is last one? And with that what? Project development. Okay, fine. Then look, the highlights of this placement assistant program. What are the highlights? So first, what? First, come on. Topic wise MCQs. Number 2, topic wise problem and solution. No? Say yes or no? Topic wise problems and solution. Solution means in your lab with the help of mentors you will get all the solutions. Problem solving using what? HackerRank and topic wise POCs. POCs means proof of concept. What is POC? Say loudly. Proof of concept means what your faculty told in the classroom. What? A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Sir, how I will know really A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB? So, just that concept. We will go to lab with the help of mentors. We will proof in the lab. No, really, what I learn in the classroom, A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Understood all of you? This is called proof of concept. What it is called? Say loudly. Proof of concept. Next one, guys. Topic wise scenario based program. Next one. Daily lab assignment. Next one. Dedicated mentor support. And last one. Module wise test. So these are the things we are going to provide you in this placement assistant program on Java and .NET both with project support. Now look at these are the students who are placed in the month of what? Last month, August. Please clap, sir. They are the hard workers. Okay, next, all of you. These are the students placed in the month of July. You will get the pic of all these students in our wall also. By coming to this Manjira Square building, you will get the pic of all these students. Okay. These are the students placed in the month of June. And look at this is the complete figure. So in the January month, we placed how many students? Say loudly. From this batch, from placement assistant batch, we placed 202 students. Please clap, sir. So 202. In February 189, in March 225, in April 195, May 209, 226, 258 and 262. Sir, I heard that market is not good. Then how you are placing all these students? Sir, market is not good, but as I told you, we have a collaboration with HackerRank and LeetCode. So we have a collaboration with HackerRank and LeetCode means what? Already you are practicing those standard questions in your lab with the support of mentors. So whenever you are going for real interview, are you surprising in the real interview or you are facing same kind of question? Come on, respond. Say yes or no. If you don't practice HackerRank and LeetCode question, here in the premises of Naresh Institute of Technology, then obviously in the interview room you will be surprised. It is a very tricky question, but all tricky questions we are going to cover here only. That's why in the interview room we will find that same kind of feeling, what feeling you have in the Naresh Institute of Technology. Okay, next. Sir, in the last year, 2023, total we have placed 2801 students. Please clap for those students also. And what is our expectation? Look at guys, what is our expectation? Our expectation very simple. What? We never believe in advertisements and all kind of things. We always invest in the best important part is what? Our students. So you will never find any advertisement board for Naresh Institute of Technology anywhere. Amirpet Market, anywhere you go. We believe that our students are our brand ambassadors. And from last 20 years, we are surviving due to our students only. Whenever we say our students are working in the entire world, not only in India, USA, Canada, Kuala Lumpur. So this is what? From our student only. So what we are today due to our students only. So you are our brand ambassadors. And it is you which believes on Naresh Institute of Technology from last 20 years. and which is making us more and more responsible in this field. So believe on me, every department in Naresh Institute of Technology, whether it is a placement department, whether it is a faculty department, whether it is a lab department, any department is working very, very hard to place you. But all these things will spoil if you are not doing the hard work. We can't do anything. We don't have medicine. We will give it to you. You will take before breakfast. You will get job. No. It's you. You have to come forward. You have to take the resource. You have to do hard work. Then only you will get a job. Next 6 months are very crucial month of your life. These 6 months are going to decide what you will do in your next 30 to 40 years. And one bitter truth, I have to say, first you please think why you are here. When I was a student, my parent was also telling me what? Marks, 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 marks. I got a very good marks. Then I realized nothing will happen with marks. Everything will happen with skills. You have so many degrees are there, colorful degrees are there. Those degrees will not work in real-time industry, believe on me. Only your skills will work. Even after completion of your BTech, BA, BCA, MCA, BSc, B Pharma, why you are here? You have already degrees are there, no? So why we gathered together here? Why? We invested a lot of money in school and colleges. Then why we are here? Because you believe on Naresh Institute of Technology. Your parents believe on Naresh Institute of Technology. That Naresh Institute of Technology provides a skill-based training. And industry demand is skill-based training. So I am requesting to all of you, you have to give, look, these 5 or 6 months, you are going to cover your 20 years of weakness. Am I right or wrong? Say loudly. Am I right or wrong? So these, because, sir, 20 years we are in school and colleges, but result is zero. Only what we have, after spending so many amount, you have piece of papers. These are degrees, colorful degrees. And those colorful degrees, laminated degrees, will not work in real-time industry. Nothing, zero. What will work? Skill-based training will work. And we are from last 20 to 20 years, we are providing support to our student on our SIP of success. So the SIP of success. Naresh IT is a SIP of success, boat of success. Whether you want to board on this boat or not, your choice. Because we are professionals. You are new. We are doing from last 20 years. From last 20 years, we are doing the same thing. We are professionals. So whether you want to be success or not, you want your pick in the next batch or not, when next batch will come, your pick will be there or not, it will depend your next 5 months hard work. If you avoid social media, if you dedicated support, if you provide from yourself, definitely your pick will be here, 100%. And so many, almost, I told you almost I can say more than 15 to 20,000 students we are already passed out from last year in this placement batch. Those all students are your senior students. You can easily take tips how to get the job, what to do. Yes, those students are here only. When you will go now, 11 a.m., so many students will be there. Those all students are your senior batch. Because this is what placement batch building. You can easily take tips in the pics, in the wall, you can see the pics. So what I want to tell you only one thing. Okay, Naresh IT will not give you job. Naresh IT will give you training. Job you have to snatch. Because it is a competitive market. You have to snatch the job. So how, sir? Who will my pioneer? Who will show me the right path? Naresh IT will show you the right path. Because we are professionals. What you need to do? You need to follow the exact path. What is my destination? Your destination is what? Your destination is high-tech city. Your destination is Bangalore. Your destination is Pune. Your destination is Gurgaon. After 2 years, your destination is Canada, USA. Our success. We are happy from bottom of our heart because contribution in society. We are making you independent. Okay, we are making you independent. So that is the only realm of Naresh Institute of Technology. Naresh Institute of Technology from last 20 years doing only one thing, making students independent. Is it clear to all of you? So all these story only one thing. Can I expect that you will do hard work in next 5 to 6 months? Say, okay. So that is the only expectation management is expecting from you. And now few more points are there. Look at. So here, as I told you, we have a module-wise test. So each and every test, we are going to generate the report or we are going to conduct what? One dashboard, performance dashboard for you. As you can see, here one student is there, I'm going to performance. So my weekly performance, module-wise performance. So in this performance, what will happen? Technology-wise, this is technology-wise, like .NET. Technology-wise performance you have. Then module-wise performance you have. You have ASP.NET. In this particular module, what is your performance ratio? Okay. And here ASP.NET Web API. This is again another topic, Web API. Here, what is your performance? T1, your performance is 67%. T2, T3, your performance is 99%. T4, your performance is declining 82.5%. Okay, like that. Each and every module, topic, subtopic, we are going to conduct the test. And if your performance is continuously low, then we are not going to entertain you. First day I'm telling you. If you look at, if you are not changing in yourself, how you are expecting that your life will change? You can't expect. If you will do something extraordinary, then only something extraordinary will come. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? If you are not changing yourself, nothing will change in your life. What you are doing from last 20 years, the same thing will carry on. So here, if your performance is not good, 1 month, we will give you 2 or 3 attempts chance. If your performance is not good, continuous basis, then we will shift you in next batch. That means your junior batch. Keep in your mind. And records are available with you, records are available with management. So if you are really doing hard work, your performance, maybe your one test your performance is low, you have a valid reason. It is not like that in one test your performance is low, we will shift you, no. But continuously 2 months, 2.5 months, your performance is low. Our counseling team, our admin team is directly contacting with you. What happens? Why? If your answers are not proper, then you are forcing us to shift you in the another batch. Because ultimately, when you will complete your 5th month, I want only filtered student. I want only cream student. Because those cream students has done very hard work from last 4 or 5 months, and actually they are eligible for going in the interview room. If I will send those students who are not doing the hard work, of course, what will happen? It is wasting of our resource. So first only I am giving you the clear picture. Okay, you have to do very hard work. Then only you will board in the boat of success. That boat is going on. So who will board? They will get the success. Whether you are eligible or not, whether you are coming or not, it's depend upon your hard work. Is it clear to all of you? Say loudly. All of you. So every module wise performance, we will give you the report to each and every one. So last now I'm going to end this session. Just one thing I want to tell you, and then I will end this session. So just one thing, guys, and then we will start our technical session by Mr. Kishore sir. So why we are here? To cover up our 20 years of weakness, say yes or no? Say loudly. All of you. Say, come on. Okay. Then, in this 4 or 5 months, if you do hard work, you believe that you will get a job? Yes or no? Look at. One more thing. Wait. Look. This is my mail ID. Okay. I think last miss what 2 days ago. Look at here. So, dear Ravi Shankar sir, I hope you are doing well. I am Sohaib Patan from Batch 26. I am happy to share with you that I have been placed as a Java developer IIT. Look at the offer letter. It is a personal documentation. I should not share. Look at date. What is the salary package? Where he placed? Where the student placed? Kondapur, Hyderabad. Look, this is the offer letter. Okay, not only one student. I can show so many offer letters. They are becoming what happy. They are becoming happy. They are sharing what their offer letter, and we are becoming more happy. Look, dear Ravi Shankar sir, this is who Achal Tikale. Thank you so much, sir. Heartiest congratulations. All the best for your future. Where is the offer letter? Where is the offer letter? Here is the offer letter. What is the package? The package is 3.25. What is the job? Job is a software trainee. Are you understanding? Say yes or no. Come on. So I want to tell you only one thing, guys. I want to tell you just one thing. If you do hard work, definitely you have what job in your hand. It depends upon you whether how much effort you are putting in next 4 to 5 months. Okay, na? So can I expect you will do hard work, all of you? Say loudly, all of you. Okay, now? That's all for my session. Okay, Kishore sir will take session. All the best. Thank you, all of you.
किशोर सर this one. No, petitioner.
What purchase? You purchase. Service on. Yes. Good morning, all. Yes, very good morning. Online students, I am audible. Online students, I am audible. Nani? Nani? Right. Okay, anyway, this is Kishore, and today we are going to discuss about C language. I think Mr. Ravishankar explained what is what about the course. Am I right? Then directly I'm going to start C language. And before going to start C language, first of all, why you are here? Okay, first watch it. Today we are going to discuss about what? Introduction to C language. And after the class, you can understand why you have to learn the C language or why you are in this class. First, basically, C is called, it is a high level or middle level programming language. It is the first important thing. Okay, C is called, it is a high level language, which is also called middle level programming language. Why we are calling C is a high level or middle level programming language? To understand this one, first of all, you have to know what is a language. Then only you can understand what is high level, what is machine language, what is low level. Okay, Then I'm coming with very simple example. As per your knowledge, tell me guys, what is called language? As per your knowledge, what is called language? Okay, I'm giving more clarity. Can I say Telugu is a language? Can I say Telugu is a language? How many Telugu people are here? Oh, majority Telugu people. Remaining all are North Indians? Remaining all are North Indians? Some members are not giving answer. You are from West Indies? No, no? Everybody North Indians, no? Right, very good. Now tell me, Marathi is a language? Come on. Hindi is a language? Malayalam? Finally tell me. Where we are using the Telugu language? Means in which states we are using Telugu language? Andhra and Telangana. Am I right? Andhra and Telangana people are communicating with the Telugu language. Am I right? Marathi, Marathi, Odia, Malayalam. मलयालम ऊपर देखता क्या रे? मलयालम ऊपर यूज करता क्या? हाँ? मलयालम मलयालम स्टेट में यूज करता. वो स्टेट कहाँ से आया रे? मलयालम स्टेट है क्या? मलयालम केरला ना? केरला और नॉट? पंजाबी? सी लैंग्वेज? C is also language or not? C is a language or not? Then which state we are using the C language? Yes, in Andaman and Nicobar. In Andaman and Nicobar, the people are communicating with C language. Printf, pani de do. Scanf, kana lagao. Then where we are using? Where we are using the C language? Straight question. In computers, very good. Where we are using the C language? And now tell me finally, only one thing. Languages are used to communicate with each other. Generally, we are using the languages to communicate with each other. Right now, can I say there is a conversation going in between me and you? We are in communication. Can I say that? For that, which language currently I am using? Very good. Then English is a language or not? But actually in our house, suppose Telugu people are using Telugu for communication. Marathi people are using Marathi for communication. Am I right? Tell me, we are perfect in our mother tongue. Suppose basically I am a Telugu guy. Basically I am a Telugu guy. Now I am perfect in Telugu language. Then why I have to learn the C language? Very simple question. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Actually, currently we are in communication. Am I right? For that, we are using the regional languages like Telugu, English, Hindi, Marathi, like this. Okay, already we are perfect in our regional languages. Then, why we have to learn the C language? It is my question. You said languages are used to communicate with others. Am I right? And we are communicating with each other by using our regional languages. Then why we have to learn the C language or Java language or .NET, Python especially? Because of Telugu, English, Hindi, these are all called human languages. Can I say that? They are called human languages, and by using these languages, we can communicate with the humans only. But we want to communicate with the machines. We want to communicate with the machines or not. But the machines are not able to understand our regional languages. Am I right? Okay, the machines are not able to understand our regional languages like Telugu, English, Hindi. Am I right? Okay, I want to make a practical proof. And before going to that, why we have to communicate with the machines? First thing, already we are in communication. Then why we have to communicate with the machines? Anybody in this class? Why we guys have to communicate with the machines? Because of these machines are faster than the humans. These machines are faster than the humans are not, and they're accurate. They are accurate or not. That's why as a human being, we are depending on what? Machines. Okay, how can you say they're faster, they're accurate than human beings? Very simple technique. Very simple technique. Okay, right now, for example, you need 100 rupees. Example, I am saying you need 100 rupees and there is no money in your wallet. What you are going to do? You need 100 rupees, say, okay, what you are going to do? तेरे पापा को मदर को कॉल करेगा क्या करेगा रे ओहो you are going to call your girlfriend for 100 rupees. Tell me, Ray, then to whom you are going to call? Parents are not. पूछेगा 100 rupees send करो पापा. And now tell me, your father is going to bank or going to use phone pay, Google Pay. I need the clarity. Phone pay or Google Pay or Paytm, etc. Am I right? In how much time it is going to come? Means what time it is going to take? Seconds. Now your father is going to send immediately here. Ding sound aega. Means you have received the money or not. Now tell me. Once upon a time. Once upon a time. 10 years back. 10 years back. Kya karna? Your father have to go to the bank. You have to stand in a line and you have to fill the application form. When 100 rupees given, cashier is going to check that and finally stamp dalega. And after 2 days, that amount is credited to your account. Say yes or no. Now tell me, once upon a time, manual. Now it is system. Now it is. How it is possible? Because of that Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay. Am I right? Now tell me, they are working because of softwares. Can I say Paytm software? Google Pay. Now tell me, machines are software. Then hardware kya hai re? Huh? I am the hardware. Then tell me, machine working with software. Machine working with. Now can I say finally, the machines are faster than humans? I want to give you live example. I want to give you a live example. Okay. First of all, very simple question. I said, tell me 1 to 100 numbers. You know 100 numbers? You guys know 1 to 100 numbers. Say yes or no. Then tell me. How much time required to finish 100 numbers? To say 100 numbers, you guys need how much time I'm asking? Approximately 2 to 3 minutes minimum. Minimum, Ray? 2 to. I said write on the paper. I said write on the paper. Now how much time required? 5 minutes? 5 minutes? Then what about 10,000 numbers? Then what about 10,000 numbers? I said write down 1 to 10,000 number on a paper. How much time you required? Approximate. 10 minutes? At least. At least 10 minutes or not. Say yes or no. But by using this system, we can print 1 to 10,000 number in fraction of seconds. I want to prove it. I want to prove it. Everybody watching. You guys need how much time? You guys need how much time? 10 minutes. But I want to complete same task by using the system within seconds otherwise. Okay? Then how to? Okay. I want to make a practical proof for this. Everyone watch it. Tell me, by using this computer, can we print 1 to 100 numbers on the page? Means on the screen? Possible or not possible? By using the computer, can we print 1 to 100 numbers on the screen or not? Possible or not possible? Possible or not? And then I am asking the computer. Computer ji, show me 1 to 100 numbers. It is printing or not printing? Okay, I think it is not able to understand my English. एक बार ఓకే ఒకసారి తెలుగులో అడిగి చూద్దాం లోకల్ ఫీలింగ్ హైదరాబాద్ తెలుగు కదా ఏ 1 నుంచి 100 దాకా ప్రింట్ చేయి ప్రింట్ చేసిందా చేయలేదా చేసిందా చేయలేదా చేయలేదు एक बार हिंदी में भी पूछूंगा नहीं तो नॉर्थ इंडियंस आर गेटिंग ईगो हर्टेड यस और नो दैट्स व्हाई ए 1 से 100 तक प्रिंट करो मां कर दिया रे प्रिंट किया नहीं किया that means it is confirmed the machine is not able to understand our languages. Very clear. The machines are not able to understand our languages, but I want to print 1 to 100 numbers. Okay, then how? By using computer languages we can do this. For that you have to learn the languages like C, C++, Java, .NET, Python. Everybody clear? Then how to complete this program? How to complete this program? By using human languages, sir? By using computer languages, sir? By using एक बार देख बस. Okay, 1 minute everybody. Just watch it. I'm going to open C language. Okay, 1 minute see this. Turbo C. It is the C language. Okay, it is the C language. Now I'm going to start a fresh program. Everyone take a look on this. I'm going to take fresh example. Hash include some stdio dot h. Now you guys are getting a doubt. Sir, ये क्या है sir? Actually today it is our first class. Directly you are going to write hash include st.h. But we don't know anything. It is only for understanding the topic. It is only for understanding the. Actually in C language, this line is called. This line is called header file. Why we are calling it is a header file? Why this line is called header file? Very simple. Tell me in our body, where is the head? यार ये भी इंटरनेशनल डाउट है क्या? कौन बनेगा करोड़पति कुछ? Where is the head? I am asking. ऐसे देख रहे क्या रे? Where is the head? Top or not? Tell me where is that line? Where is that line? I am asking. Top or not? Then this is called header. Very good. Next watch it. Now I am going to start with main. Now why the main function? Why the main function? Very simple. In our room, so many fans, lights, several things are there. Bol rahe? But the power is coming from main or not. Suppose main को stop किया. These are working or not working? When the main is stopped, okay, power supplied or not supplied? That means without main, no fan, no tube light. Can I say that? Without main, there is no light, no fan, no TV. Can I say that? That means the main is the most important thing, and every C program execution starts with main function only. Okay, that's why the name also what they have given? Main. It is the main function. Main program is going to start with main. Everybody clear? And what is void means? I am not going to use the return. What is written later we are discussing. Okay. Now tell me how many numbers I want to print? How many number I want to print? 1 to 100 numbers, sir? 1 to? Then I am taking INTI. What it is called? This is called variable. In our example, INTI is called variable. Now you are getting it out. Sir, variable kya hota hai? What is called variable? Very simple. Offline student, tell me what it is. Water bottle. Come on, yaar. It is a water bottle or not? Can I say it is a container? Can I say it is a container? Because of it is containing the water. Okay? That means containers are used for storage. Containers are used for. And in languages, those containers are called variables. In languages, those containers are called. Now tell me, what is called variable? What is called variable? Variable is a container. Variable is a, and containers are used for storage or not. Next watch it. Next watch it. Starting number is what? Now can I say 1 is stored in I? Can I say 1 is stored in I? Say yes or no? Then I is a container. I is a, then container is officially called variable or not. That's why I said variable is a. Next, I less than or equal to 100. Meaning very clear. How many number we want to print? How many numbers we want to print? 100 numbers, no? That's why starting number tell me. Ending number tell me. Now tell me the starting number again. You need next number, no? Suppose 1 printed. Next number is what? 2. Then I plus plus. I plus plus means go to next number. Then I value becomes 2. Now 2 plus plus 3. 3 plus plus up to now printf percentage 4d comma I. Now meaning very clear. Print करो. किसको print करना? What it want to print? I. Got it everyone? The meaning very clear. Print the I value. And now you are getting, okay, now you are getting confused here. Percentage D. Why this percentage D means I is a. I is a. And now you are getting a doubt again. Sir, integer means what? Integer meaning what? Very simple. 1 is decimal number, non-decimal number. Okay, more clarity. 1.5. 1 point. Point is there or not there? 1.5. Point is there or not there? There na? When point is there, that is called decimal number. When point is there, that kind of number is called, and which is technically called float. Which is technically called, listen, 1 minute, listen. When we are going to store 1.2, this kind of numbers are called, and which are technically called. Now tell me 123. Point value is there or not there? Point values are there or not there? Then these are called non-decimal. These are called, and technically which is called integer. Technically which is called. Now tell me what is the difference between integer and float? What is the difference between integer and float? Integer meaning non-decimal number. Integer meaning and float meaning. Finally conclude this. One is what type of number? Non-decimal or decimal? That's why I have declared. That's why I have declared. And to print integer value, you should have to use percentage D. Got it? To print any type of integer, you should have to use. If percentage D is not there, your integer value never prints. Got it? And that's why to print integer, we should have to use what? Percentage, which is called conversion character format specifier. Okay? Now I value tell me. Come on everybody. 1 को print करो. Next I plus plus. 2 printed. I plus plus. Now up to 100 numbers printed. Up to. Now 100 completed. Now 100 plus plus. 100 plus plus. 10. 101 less than or equal to 100. 101 smaller than 100. True na? False. False na? Then this program automatically stopped. Automatically. Now tell me, how many numbers printed? 100 numbers or not? Give me answer. And I need a space also. That's why I'm giving 4D. 4D ka meaning kya hai? Actually, when 4D is given, it is creating 4 spaces like this. 4D means create 4 spaces. And tell me the first number. Very good. The one is placed here. Then how many spaces left? 3. The next number, tell me. 2 or not? Again 4 spaces. 2. Got it? Final number, tell me. Very good. 100, how many digit number? 3 or not? Then how many spaces left? Only. That means in between every number, we are getting spaces. In between every number, we are getting the spaces or not. To get that spaces, we are using what? 4D. Everyone understood? Now program finished. Anybody tell me, it is English program, Telugu program, Hindi program? I know that it is C. I know that it is C program. Currently it is in English language, Telugu language, Hindi language. Currently in which language? English or not? Currently it is in. Now this English language is called, what it is called? Source code R. Remember this. Always our English program is called source code or source program. Okay, no? Tell me, this one created by the user or not? After creating the program, we have to check any error is there or not. Alright. Okay, at least tell me. Currently, this program is in English language, no? And that English language is called what? Source code. But the computer understandable code? Computer understandable code. Very good. Binary code. A computer understandable language is what? Binary code or machine language. Am I right? And binary code consists of what? Zeros and ones. Zeros and. But as a human being, you are able to understand zeros and ones? No. Mean user understandable language, English. And computer understandable language. Now we have to convert this English code to binary code or not. Then how to convert this English code to binary code? See that there is an option called. There is an option called. Then compile. Compile means convert the English to binary code and check the errors also. Check the. 1 minute there. Any warning? Any warning? Any error? And program is saying success or not? That means our English code converted into binary code. But we need binary code answer. As a user, you need binary code answer. Then how to get the answer? Further, they have given. They have given. Now they can run. आ गया तेरा आंसर. तेरा आंसर आया कि नहीं? अरे आंसर is there or not there? Yes. Now tell me first number and last number. 100. Are give me answer. Now how many numbers are printed? With space or without space? Why? Because? Good. Because of percentage 4D. Logic clear? Because of percentage 4D or not? And you can enter any number of spaces, no problem. Suppose I am giving 8D. This time I am giving 8D, 8 spaces. See that? More spaces we are getting. Yes or no? But answer is same too. Now, how many number printed? How much time taken to show the answer? Fraction of seconds only. Now see that I am giving 10,000. Now I am giving 10,000. Now run this program. First compile the program. Any warning? Any error? Now run this program. Everybody, observe it. How much time taken? Just count it. Enter. Okay. Finished. एक बार देख आंसर आया कि नहीं बोल रहे what was the last number 9,999 next one how much time taken how much time seconds 1 second or 2 seconds now tell me you can finish this 10,000 number in 1 second anybody going to complete 1 to 10,000 number on a paper within 5 seconds otherwise 10 seconds I am giving 10,000 open challenge गर्ल्स के सामने इज्जत का सवाल ओके डोंट राइट डाउन 1 to 10,000 you are able to finish that you are able to finish that chances there are not there never because of the machines are faster than it is the practical proof it is the practical now tell me okay when orally said when I asked the system please print 1 to 100 number it is able to print then when it is able to print anybody when it is able to print 1 to 100 numbers kya hai re, huh? After writing this program when it is showing 1,000 or 10,000 numbers after writing this program or not say yes or no now can I say these are all called can I say like this can I say these are all called tell me guys we are having one instruction or so many instructions here in this program one instruction is there several are there several very good when several are there can I say it is called set of very good I think set of instruction is called program or not set of instructions is called and set of programs is called set of instruction is called and who is going to design software or which is also called developer which is also called or which is also called techie or not now tell me TCS Wipro Infosys what these are called Wipro TCS Infosys these companies are what software companies are hardware companies are or medical companies are software there some employees are working what they are called software engineer work tell me software engineer का काम क्या है developing the software engineer work developing the software okay software engineer work is developing the and to develop the software they have to write the programs or not and to write the program they have to use the instructions or not final question what do you want to become your future aim is what अरे साइलेंट से बैठ दिया as early as possible तू बच्चों का फादर बनना चाहता बोल you want to become a father and you want to become a mother then what is your aim software software engineer you want to become a now finally tell me software engineer work is what developing the and to develop the software you have to write the and to write the program you have to use the and to create the instructions you have to learn the computer programming languages or not Computer programming languages like what? C, C++, Java, .NET, Python or not? Finally, tell me, Ray, without this, there is no programmer. Say yes or no. If you don't know computer language, you are going to be a programmer. To become a programmer, first of all, you have to write the programs, program containing. And where we are giving these instructions? Computer languages like C, C++, Java, .NET or not? Now finally tell me, you want to become a software? Software or software engineer? That means to become a software engineer, first you have to learn a. First of all, you have to learn a computer programming language. And without computer programming language, you are never going to be a software. And the basic language is the. Why I am saying basic is the C? Because of the Java, .NET, Python, C++, directly or indirectly, all they are created from C language. Okay, actually from C language, C++ developed. Can I say C++, C ka bacha? Array from C language, C++ created, right? Then C++ is the bacha of C. And by using C++ techniques, they have developed Java. Understood? Using C++ concepts, they have developed. Then Java is the C++ ka bacha. Yes or no, re? Then for Java, C is the grandmother. C का बच्चा कौन है रे? C++ का बच्चा? For Java, C क्या होता है? That's why what I said, directly or indirectly, all these languages created from. That's why C is called mother or father of all the programming languages. Now clarity is there? That's why we are calling C is the mother or father of all the programming languages. Everybody clear? When we are strong in C language, then it is very easy to understand. C++, Java, .NET, Python, any language. Because of 80% of programming language concepts are C language. Remaining 20% advanced features. Remaining 80, they're same to same as C language. Everybody clear? Now clear? Then tell me, how to become a software engineer? How to become a software engineer? By learning a programming language. Okay? And tomorrow there is no demo. Means what? Okay? Today Ravi Shankar sir explained what is what now. And tomorrow there is nothing like that. Directly I am moving to programming. Got it, everyone? Tomorrow directly I am going to start the C class. Just what is what I have explained today. Tomorrow I am going to explain what is middle level language, what is low level, what is high level. Yes, you are having any questions from your side? Anybody having any doubt? Everyone understood what I said? Everybody, you are having any doubts? Online students? Online student, any doubts? Right. Okay, thank you all, and see you on tomorrow. Okay, Mr. Praveen is going to say something. 1 minute. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you online students and thank you offline students. Online and offline students. So tomorrow when you are here, make sure like you are getting downloaded in a Google Classroom and all the recordings and notes will be getting uploaded there. Google Classroom app. So you can leave for the day. So see you tomorrow at the same time, 9 o'clock in the same class. Thank you.